YouTube? It's your girl Kiora Tashay back with another video for you guys today. I am feeling very good this morning, so I just decided to just give you guys a skin routine, an early morning skin routine. That's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah. I've been very indecisive about my skin for a very long time. I honestly, as you guys seen in my previous videos, I've talked about my skin a couple times. If you guys were paying attention, that's how I know if y'all are real, if y'all paying attention to my videos. I was telling you guys how indecisive and insecure I am about my skin, and the discoloration is really the main thing. My dark spots around my mouth, places like that, it's very bad, and I really do not like it. I've been trying to find different things, different, remedies to use to help my skin, because honestly, acne has never been a factor for me. It never has been something that I had an issue with. It was always about discoloration for me, dark spots, eczema. It bothers me still, and I'm still learning to find different ways. Like, I feel like my skin has showed some type of change, but it hasn't, is not where it's supposed to be, and that's where I need to step in and find different things to use. So I wanted to show you guys some products I've been using for a couple weeks now. As my other previous video, I showed you guys the unboxing of the Minimo Skin Essentials. If you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead. I had got the little bundle deal. It came with this cute, adorable little blue bag that I got when I ordered it. I've been using the Minimo Glow Turmeric Face Scrub. It looks like this. Minimo lotion with the extract. It has turmeric extract, bearberry extract, and then the root extract as well. It's like a skin brightening daily moisture that basically you will put this on after you've done washed your face with the scrub. The Lumen Dark Spot Serum. Let me show you guys how it looks outside the box. It looks like this. Come like in a little, probably like 2 pumps of it, and you should be good to go. Also came with a scrubby. Technically, I paid for the scrubby, but because of the discount that they had going on a month ago, I basically got this for free. So it's like I really didn't pay for it because it was like a discount or whatever for my first purchase and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. And guys, please do not forget to wear dark color clothes for these masks. It's turmeric and it's yellow, so it will stain. So make sure you wear like black, dark, bright colors as well. You're going to let this mask sit for 10 full minutes, and then you're going to rinse it off with warm water. That is the end of my morning skin routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, my skin does not look dry at all. It looks moisturized. It looks like it has been treated. Slowly but surely, I'm going to also try different products, but I really like this one. It's turmeric, which helps, basically turmeric helps with dark spots and eczema and all the discoloration that you may be having. It does help. It takes time for it to start to heal, but the process will be worth it. They have other products as well on their line. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys so you guys can see their other products that they sell. But they have some amazing products. My skin looks so moisturized. It looks soft. Like, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the skin routine. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, okay? Please comment any suggestions that you might want me to do, any products that you might want me to try out. I hope you guys decide to just subscribe and keep supporting me. I love all of you. Thank you for taking me this far, step by step. I really appreciate it. And also, please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.